Affiliate marketing offers a unique opportunity to earn passive income by promoting products or services. Let's explore how to set up and maximize your affiliate marketing business. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's or companies' products. When someone makes a purchase using your referral link, you earn a commission. The earning potential in affiliate marketing varies widely. Some affiliates earn a few dollars a month, while others make thousands. Factors influencing earnings include the commission rate of the product, the popularity and demand for the product, your promotional strategies and reach, the trust and rapport you build with your audience. Select a niche you're passionate about. This ensures genuine promotion and a deeper connection with your audience. Opt for reputable programs like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and ClickBank. They offer a wide range of products catering to various niches. Create a website or blog as your primary platform. Your website or blog will serve as the main hub for your content and promotions. Here are some platforms to consider. Promote affiliate links on social media with visuals and catchy captions, make YouTube videos for reviews and tutorials, send product recommendations through email, and engage meaningfully in forums and communities like Quora. There are some essential tools and softwares that will help to boost affiliate marketing. Promote genuinely beneficial products. Always disclose your affiliate relationships to maintain trust. Use analytics to refine your strategies. Focus on what's working and improve areas that aren't yielding results. If you are looking for professional guidance, give us a call today. Sit back and relax while we do all the complicated work for you.